I have no energy to visit Chisang.
Things started going a bit on the wrong side.
Don't ruin it.
We are pretty scared.
I cannot enjoy.
And the confidence broke badly.
Pillion foot peg.
Pillion, left foot.
I mean, there is no road.
Come in this rainy season.
I'm not feeling well. Holy cow, I want to some areas. All I want is to go home now. Just go home.
So how was the day? It went mixed. Coming to Rongo River Valley Resort, that road condition is like extremely bad. The steepness started, the hairpin bends and all those started, that is obviously expected. But then came the bad road portion. You have to take a sharp left. I am very surprised, many big YouTubers or small YouTubers, whoever they are, they took up the good responsibility to show us the route and everything. But nobody showed that part.
River Valley.
So definitely this entire thing went mixed. The stretch was really great first. From the Jalpaiguri to Chalsa and then a bit of the highway until Kunyamu, dense forest. The road condition was like superb.
We are finally going to make a trip today. After all the repairs and everything, maintenance of the bike. This is a 4-day trip. First day we are going to Rongo. Tomorrow we will check out from Rongo and go towards Chisang. We'll see you on the road. In between the hills, beautiful sceneries, greeneries, magnificent, beautiful Dooars. We'll try to bring up to you.
I've been counting down the days to get out. I've been looking for a way from this town. And you're too far away to help me now. So I'm counting down the days to get out. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead. Fly from the end. So I'm full speed ahead.
We have just crossed the Jalpaiguri forest area. We did have our breakfast. We have made pretty fine time.
Chacha is only 10 kilometers away.
At Chalsa, I will refuel the full petrol. We'll keep you posted on the road.
Rongo, we are coming!
As planned, we refueled it full tank at Chalsa. There are 2 petrol pump options as we saw. One was Bengal where we refueled. Post that there was Acer, and now this is the Kunyamu. From here we will take left. It is showing very close to 1 hour, like 58 minutes or 56 minutes, and around 30 to 31 kilometers left. So I think every timing and everything is good. After this, the route should be slowly, gradually challenging. To show them this road. This road would have come from above the Murti River. There is a different road. If we would have taken this road, we wouldn't have found a petrol pump.
If you go straight, you will reach Telipara, Alipurduar. If you go right, you will reach Lataguri or Murti. And now we are taking the left. So we are going towards Jhalong or Bindu.
And the dense forest, Chapramari. Perhaps it is a bit towards Kumani as well. You can see my face. I'm sweating like hell. The route is beautiful. This is definitely one-day bike trips. I think most of the YouTubers from Siliguri or Jalpaiguri, they make bike trips in this place. It's still around 40-45 minutes still to the destination. This is so peaceful, so serene. There's nothing else to say. Let's enjoy the nature as long as it lasts.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend though you don't have to play the hero.
This is rubber plantation. Here in the white plastics, they collect the glue of rubber.
Until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Just took the Garibas more left, and now this is supposed to be 8 to 9 kilometers exactly to the resort.
My story, and there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, I'll be your
नहीं नहीं रास्ता भी जाओ जाते
गाड़ी आएगा तो ऊपर तक चलाएगा।
ऊपर तक चलाना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होगा।
ये रास्ता खराब है, ऊपर तक खराब है।
ऐसा ही है क्या?
अगर आप नहीं पाएंगे तो मैं ऊपर तक उठा दूंगा। क्या उड़ते उड़ते बाइक का
After that, since the bike has fallen and the confidence broke badly, it would have been a disaster if I would have tried to hold, because it was going in back gear with full force. It was not gripping. It was skidding on over the surface areas, and because these pebbles are something not to be messed with. Even though it is mid-seller, Dooars did not solve the purpose that much. I'm not comfortable with the tank bag. I did not adjust the tank bag. I did not make any rides with it, and I just directly came up with this tank bag. The placement of the tank bag was actually very bad. That was one big problem. I never got a chance to ride in this side. I have had no training. Perhaps my sense did not work here. So anyways, after that, we were stopped by rain. Almost 1.5 hours or 1 hour. There the time has gone.
Really, we have nothing to say. It's tedious, this road. It's not only off-road, but the steepness. And I think you could have seen that the bike has fell also. Very super luckily, none of us got injured. Yeah, we lost a foot peg. We lost
pillion foot peg.
Pillion, left foot peg. And since the bike has fell, some lower confidence has chipped in. So she is getting down in any places that she is finding confusing. Nothing to say. She has become emotional. I think the main mistake is to come in this rainy season. Now it is skiddy and slippery everywhere.
Road conditions is completely bad. I mean, there is no road.
Try coming in the winter season.
Yeah.
I think it would be worth.
All I want is to go home now. Just go home.